Okay, so tell me, how many children do you want us to have?
4. 2 boys, 2 girls.
And which one comes first?
The girl, of course.
No, I disagree with you. The boy will come first.
No, Nankem, you promised now.
Oh, okay, fine, I agree. The girl will come first, and then the boy. And when we're having it again, to be the other way around.
Yes, I won! So, Nkem, are you coming with your uncle to come and see my parents?
That will be as soon as I finish discussing with them tomorrow.
Okay.
Then I'll tell you about it. I just feel so sad that my parents are not alive to witness their only son becoming a man.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that.
It's fine. I have told you to stop being sorry, especially when I talk about the demise of my parents.
I'll try.
Try.
I can't wait to get married to the love of my life.
Children of nowadays, what are they doing there? Winner should pay her bride price. Instead of hide and seek, and many more of you. You what?
Unana, Bacha?
Yes, Papa.
And where is Noma?
She went to see Obina.
Can you hear we have become? What again? Eh? So after all I want this girl, she disobeyed me, eh? By going to see that useless boy.
Nai. Noma is now a full-grown woman. Who knows what she wants in life?
She doesn't know what she wants. And you are the reason for all her mistakes. Why must she end up with that useless thing? Why must she? Of all men! Why must it be Obina?
Nai, please, I want to understand. Is there any way Obina offended you? Did this boy do anything wrong to you other than loving our daughter?
I don't need his love. Or what even the love here, man? I don't need it at all. He should leave my daughter alone. What's it love? What are you talking? Was it then when you get back to this child? What is the problem? The only thing that idiot can offer to our daughter is deceit and poverty. Poverty getting on the to measure poverty. I don't want it.
Is there something I am not understanding here? Why are you putting up this attitude? The same attitude you exhibited 3 years ago when Anayo and Emeka came seeking for your daughter's hand in marriage. You were not happy. I want to ask you, do you want to marry your own daughter?
What?
Yes. I know why I'm asking this question. You don't like seeing men around her. Why are you putting up such attitude?
Do you want to know the reason? You want to know the reason? The reason is that I am a good father and I want the best for my children. The best. When a good man, a reasonable man, a responsible man, I will give my consent. I will give my consent. I will not allow this useless boys that is moving everywhere, looking for women to deceive and destroy. So I will not allow my children to be victims of such useless situation, such useless men, such circumstance. It's not when I'm still alive. No, not when I'm still alive.
Is this really the man I got married to?
Hey, Mama, I'm back.
Hey, Mama, what is this excitement all about?
Obinna is coming with his uncle to see you and Papa.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Hey!
I am serious.
Really?
Really? Sister, I'm very happy for you.
Thank you. Soon to be Mrs. Obinna.
Yes, so we can't wait.
Did he give you any date?
Not really, Mama. He said he wants to talk with his uncle. Then he'll get back to me. But very soon, no. Very soon, I will leave this place. I'm tired of this place. I want to go and
Mrs. in the making.
Yes, so.
Engole Chago. Ikwu Chago. Now listen and listen record. Even if he lies, let him bring all his generation to this place. I want to assure you, he will never marry you. Oh man, not when I'm still alive. Not when I'm still alive.
Mama, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Why is Papa frustrating me? Why does he keep rejecting every suitor that comes to ask for my hand in marriage? Does he want to marry me? Talk to him. Whether he likes it or not, I am going to marry Obinna. Period. What is all this? What is
Don't
all
worry,
this?
let him come back. I will talk with you.
What is Papa doing like this? Why is he doing this?
I don't understand.
Does he want to bring Dangote's son for somebody before anybody will buy it?
Mom,
Take it easy.
take it easy with what exactly?
The way you and Obinna we are holding hands. I hope you still remember our community forbids pregnancy out of wedlock.
Who is talking about getting pregnant out of wedlock? Obinna is a principled man. He dare not try that. What is the essence of rushing when I know fully well he's coming with his uncle to see my parents?
So how are you going to convince your father to welcome them?
That is the problem. I don't know why my father detests seeing men around me.
If you ask me, I think he's doing that to protect you from making mistakes.
Protect me, you said. Look at me. I'm no longer a child. I am my parents' first daughter. And by right, I ought to be married by now.
So what are you going to do?
My mother will talk to him. But if he refuses, the marriage will still hold.
You know that is not possible. You cannot get married without your father's blessing when he's still alive.
Everything is possible, not when it is beyond control.
Oh, no problem. But I just pray your mother subdue him.
I pray so, seriously.
Abo. Kedono. Noma, I would like to have a word with you when you're chanced. No, everything is fine. At your convenient time, come to my house. Oh? Okay. Oh, no, Fuma. Oh, yeah, no. Here.
Useless, good for nothing boy. I've been warning you. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from my daughter. Actually, I don't want to stay away. All I'm saying is stay away from my daughter. Because
I sincerely love her.
Love her. I made that thunder strike your head for saying that love. Which love? Do you know what is love? In fact, let me tell you, you are not capable. And no man is capable of loving my daughter. Or you love me. Yes.
I don't know why you don't want to give your daughter out to a man. But with the way this thing is already going, forgive me to say that this is very strange.
Because I am warning you. It is between me and my God. Leave my daughter alone. You cannot love my daughter. I warn you, and I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again.
But I love her now. I do.
Good evening, ma.
No.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Mama, I'm here for...
Please. No, Mom.
Thank you, Mama.
Sit. I know you will be wondering why I sent for you. It is nothing much, just that earlier today I saw you and Obinna in a very compromising position. So I said, let me remind you of what our custom and tradition say about a young girl getting pregnant out of wedlock.
Yes, I know.
It's not that I'm accusing you or that I'm telling you that it will happen. No. You know what it entails when a girl that is not married gets pregnant. Okay?
Yes,
I know. I just want to tell you not to fall into that temptation. You got to go?
Okay,
I'm sure your mother must have told you and your sister a couple of times. I know. But I said, as a mother who has a daughter your age, let me still talk about it. After all, our people say that it takes the whole village to train one child. Okay?
You're right, Mama. Thank you very much. Honestly, thank you so much, Mama. Obinna and I have high value for custom and tradition of this community. And we've always traded with caution. But nevertheless, Nne, thank you so much for your care. I appreciate it. I should be going.
Go, go. Oh.
My regards, wife and I.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Oh, my dear. Bye-bye. Oh.
Kim, I don't know what to do. I have begged my two uncles, but they refused coming with me because of your father's threats. What do we do about this?
I don't know why my father is doing this to me. I don't know.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Does your father react this way when men come for your two sisters?
Yes, he does. But mine is something else. I'm already due for marriage.
And what's your mother saying about it?
My mom promised to talk to him, but you know how stubborn my father can be. He doesn't give my mom listening ear.
Well, I think I'll just keep talking to my uncles so that they will reconsider their decision. And I want you to do the same thing. Okay?
Sure, I really do the same.
Please. I love you.
I love you too.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Modari iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Chimumuraya. Olisa do. Chimumuraya. Chimebekino. Chimumuraya. Biazoputa nwa gị o. Chimumuraya. Chimumuraya. Ofu ụbọchị aga m enwe mmeri. Chimumuraya. Ihe zoro ezo ga-apụta n'ife. Chimumuraya. Ama m n'ezi.
Keep frustrating me in this house. Why?
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. they shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination.
I'm talking nonsense.
Yes, I won't allow you to ruin the lives of my children.
That I'm ruining their life.
Yes, now.
Who is ruining their life? Are you not the one ruining their life? Are you out of your mind? Don't you know? I can't believe you are this wicked. You're wicked. Eh? So you are very, very wicked. That's why you want these boys, these useless boys, to come and marry my daughter. Eh? It's all on the bottom of the family.
Which one will ever be good for you? I want to know. Is there any man that will come that you will accept? Is there anyone you prepared from heaven or from the moon to descend for you to accept the one? Why won't you give consent to the men that are coming seeking for your daughter's hand in marriage?
Not when I'm still alive. Not when I'm still alive, but man don't do a man. Yes, I want to break the chain of poverty in my family. Actually, me, Tibia, if it is a yoke, let it be broken. Poverty has been in this family from generation to generation, from generation to generation. Now, one poverty, it will not happen. What are you talking about? You are behaving like you don't know, but I know you know. Yes! Like you don't know, you know that my great-grandfather was a very poor man. My grandfather, a poor man. Namu, oh, poverty. I'm going to kiss him. There's no more poverty. And you want me to allow another poverty into my family so that my family will be generation poverty? It will not happen. Poverty. It will not happen. Oh, man. Yes, from what I'm seeing now, you are beginning to understand me. That is why I want to break that poverty.
Of a truth, I now understand you. I now understand that you want the best for your children.
Yes.
You don't want them to suffer.
Yes.
But Nai, I want to plead with you.
Kedigo.
I appreciate your ideas now. Just try and give your daughter consent. Let's accept Obina. Obina might be that yoke breaker you are looking for.
Huh?
Yes. Look at that boy. Are you not seeing future in him? That boy is a secret millionaire. Very soon it will come out.
Yeah, by faith. Ha! Prophetess okay, not ready. You are not telling me I hate probability. I don't believe in probability. And I be a faith. There are no casino evidence of things you did not see, but you believe. And I may believe in one of faith. And what about faith? Ian no, we have not can never near. Ian Nafu Ba can never near. Nemunay, as you faith. Probability.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father?
When he came to marry me, he never had
anything. Me what to do.
How? What led me into accepting this kind of a man as my husband? A man that people contributed to help him pay my dowry.
It's hard for me to
my family consented. Now, he wants a man from the moon to marry his daughter. Is it possible? How?
Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Oye naju ajuju choro komara.
What exactly are you going to do now? Oh, I don't know, but two of my uncles have agreed to go with me. I just need to give it a try, even though her father is threatening to do the worst. I love Noma so much. so very much that I can't just imagine living without her.
Wow. Well, my friend, I understand how you feel. Okay then, I will go with you.
You don't say.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. We will be going next tomorrow.
Wow, so soon?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get myself ready then. And look, I don't want you to worry, okay? I'm so happy for you, buddy.
I pray so.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination. Chuku keruwa biazo putangwagio. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Oye naju ajuju choro komara. Olisa do.
Mama.
Kedu?
See how beautiful you're looking.
No.
We are fine.
Thank God.
Hey, Anguli, please. Don't say I am inviting you this way. You are always understanding. Your daughter, my daughter.
Which
Norma,
of them?
Norma is getting married next tomorrow. Obina and his kinsmen will be coming to do the marriage rites.
Oh my God.
Please, come and share in our joy. Come and witness everything.
Hey, Nemomoto has an invitation. Eh? Will I wait for you to come to my house with a male goat to invite me to my own daughter's marriage? Eh? Norma is also my daughter now. I will come. I will honor her that day.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
May the gods continue to bless you for me. You are always understanding.
Bless you too.
I can't appreciate you enough.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I will not even wait till that day. I will come help you. Obulo rice ayanes.
Hell.
Obulo chayanebu. No.
That's always talk about you. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
Oh, bye-bye.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what
Mama
to do.
Norma. Thank you. Thank you for welcoming us into your house. We have come to do the needful, and there is no time to waste. So we want to start immediately.
You're welcome again, Nai.
Thank you. Please, what of your husband? We want his presence so that he will give us the go-ahead order.
He left the house since morning, but I am sure he will soon be with us here.
Is he not aware that we are coming?
He is. Something led him out. He will soon be here, sir.
Okay. If you say so, we will wait for him to come. We'll wait.
Mommy, there is no need for you to apologize. Since you people accepted us in good faith, we'll wait for him to come back.
Thank you. Thank God. Here he comes. Nai, our in-laws have been waiting. Our in-laws to be. They are here.
Yeah, and doggo. In-laws to be. Yeah, nibali go bem. How were the Lomania? What the Guamoji? They brought all these things. Okay. Wakambanya Lunu Plasma TV.
What is wrong? Look at this.
Mazukamo.
Papa. It's okay, sir. Stop.
Papa, stop. Hey!
So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, you don't need to be told. I don't need you in my house. Yes.
This is not exactly how things are done. Huh? Why all this? How can you do this?
You don't have to talk to me. Talk to these things. Tell them to leave my house before I do something. Before I do something they will regret. Before something very bad will happen. Sinabempo no gabro by force.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey!
Yes.
This is the highest insult I've received.
Hey!
Mazukaba, I caused this day. Obinna, why did you bring me to this house? Obinna, please let us go. Mazukaba is not the only one that has daughters in this community. Let us go. This insult is too much.
Papa, this is not fair. Papa, it's not fair.
Hey!
Obinna,
he said you should
up,
go.
let us go.
Uncle is again, he said you should go. Failure to do that, if if I'm going to I don't care.
Obinna, let's go.
I don't care. Whatever you want, I give to you. Obinna,
let's go.
I don't want.
Hey!
Let's go.
Papa, Papa,
Come on, shut up. I ain't even now, if you look any man for you. Nonsense. You go one no wound no go. Who do go at a walk go? As a more go wound. I go. And I go one by force.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our fathers...
Why will he do such a thing? Doesn't he want his daughter to get married?
Mom, I wish I could answer that question. He shocked everybody at that occasion today. I am still trying to believe, finding it so difficult to believe that Ukabo actually did what he did.
Mama, I heard this is not the first time he is chasing away Norma's potential suitors.
Mom, if not for uncertainty, I would say that man is mad. Ukabo is a madman.
Yeah. Jimu Muraya.
Okay, let's do it. Please. Kim, I'm talking to you. Let's do it.
I don't understand.
Make love to me. Make me feel like a woman. I want to get pregnant for...
Nema, can you listen to yourself? How could you say such a thing? I mean, you and I know that.
Getting pregnant outside wedlock is an abomination. Yes, but I am willing to take this risk just to be with you. Don't you understand, Kem?
Oh, wait a minute. You are willing to take such risk?
Yes.
And bear the consequences? Of what use will it be then? Huh? That we go into this and end up suffering for the rest of our lives.
Okay, I suggested this because
Because you love me.
Yes, I do. I love you and you know it.
I know you love me. And I love you too. We don't need to do this. All we need is to fight for our love. And trust me, we will conquer.
Are you sure?
I am sure. We're in this together. One day, your father will accept me.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination.
You know, when my husband was he was doing all that until I sat him down and spoke to him. He wanted to control our daughter's life. Say, Amber, life is not like that.
What have I not done? What have I not done? I have tried talking sense into him. All he cares is about himself. Himself and himself alone. He doesn't care about the children. He doesn't care about their welfare. He doesn't care about what benefits them. It's just him. I just pray Norma doesn't hate him for this.
Nemo, you will keep talking. You will have to still talk. If not, your daughter's love for him will just drift away. Especially when they are grown. You know how girls are. I
don't understand.
That is why we are women. That is why we are mothers.
Mama, I'm tired though. I'm tired. Let us go home. All this kind of work. I'm just tired.
Don't let me descend on you there. Come on, get up and start working. Have you not heard that Akajaja Bono Mano Mano? You only reap what you sow. Come on, get up and go and start working.
Mama, see, food and work, are they the same? They are not the same. All this kind of stress, I don't like it. Somebody has been working since morning. Let's go home and eat something.
Get up. Tomorrow you start complaining that you are hungry. Go and start working. Hey! 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 My leg! Snake! 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 Hey! Yeah!
Put your hand come, let's have Mama.
Hey! Oh! Hey! 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 My leg! Oh!
Mama, sorry.
Hey! 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 Take the machete. Hey!
Mama, easy.
Hey!
You see why I was telling you people, let's go home? Something was telling me.
Shut up! You always talking. When you're not the one that confused her, that she did not know when to bite her. Hey. Sorry. Oh, Mama, sorry. Easy. Hey. Just take it easy. Why you? Hey. Getting any better. The effort of the previous medicine man proved abortive.
Okay. I'm sorry for what your mother is passing through. I presume you didn't tie her leg on time immediately after the snake bites.
No, we did not. We were so confused that we didn't even know the right thing to do. Now my mother is lying helplessly in there.
I suggest we invite another herbalist. At least with that we'll know the next thing to do.
The previous man came from Amoji. So how do we get another native doctor, knowing fully well we don't have any native doctor in this village? Kim, say something.
Yes, there is one herbalist in Izzy.
Okay, so how do we see him now?
No, yes, we will see him, but I heard he's good at what he does. In fact, most people have said he's the best medicine man ever. So we can go there whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start going.
Okay, that's fine.
I would have returned with the blood of that useless boy if I did.
Where would she have been? And it's already evening.
Let it not be that boy has talked her into running away from this village with him.
Papa, I don't think so. I mean, even if Sister Noma wants to elope with him, not now that Mama is very, very sick. I doubt. Where could she be? Eh?
For her sake and that of that useless boy. Let me hope it's true.
Send them to get it from me from the neighboring village. Okay, Mama. I just hope it will help her recover. You see? Hurry. There's no more time.
This neck, it will never be well with you.
Where are you coming from?
I went to Izzy to bring this herbalist.
Even at that, you went easy to bring a medicine man. You would have told us. What if something had happened to you?
Papa, I'm fine. I'm sorry. Please, start something now.
No.
Ebelebe nsuja iko mbu n'aka ihe nọ ya n'ime ebelebe nsuja ebelebe nsuja ebelebe nsuja ebelebe nsuja ebelebe nsuja akwụkwọ m ji n'aka ihe dị ya n'ime ebelebe nsu ya. Ebelebe nsu ya o, ebelebe nsu ya. Ebelebe ya o, ebelebe nsu. Ebelebe nsu ya o, ebelebe nsu ya.
Nai, this might also help.
Who are you?
She knows a lot about herbs. Oh. Yes.
This will really help. Thank you very much. Ebelebe nsuja o, ebelebe nsuja. Ebelebe nsuja o, ebelebe nsuja.
She's dead. Yo will let this bitch munanya. Hey! Change that in the Change that in the major level. Hey!
Obina! Obina! I hope all is well. What is wrong with you now? Nama's mother is dead.
Eh?
How? When? I don't know. I heard it happened hours ago.
What are you doing here? Did he name ever? Eh?
Papa, sorry I heard what happened, so I decided to come.
Come and do what? No, come and do what? Your presence is not needed here at all. At all!
Nine.
Don't nanny me. Don't nanny me in any way, in any form. You are the last person that is needed here. Get out of this place.
Papa, please.
Papa, Papa, why is it? What's it, Papa? Don't you know your Papa? Eh? I say get out of this place now. Before I do something drastic.
Obinna.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination. Chuku keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Chimumuraya. Olisa do. Chimumuraya. Chimebekino.
But you see, you have to try you. Before that man kills you someday.
It's killing me already.
Even though you're a strong man, I know you definitely overcome this. Cheryl.
Mama, help me beg my father to allow me marry Obinna. I don't know who to talk to about this thing again.
It's okay, eh? I'll talk to him. Dry your tears. Don't worry, I'll come and talk to him.
Mama, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Just go.
My father has been frustrating me. He doesn't want me to get married.
I'll talk to him. Just go. Don't cry.
I don't know what is wrong with my father.
Don't worry, he will listen to me.
Mama, are you sure you are coming?
I'm coming.
Mama, let's go now. Oh, should I be going?
Go. Let me call my daughter to come and lock the door.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
Get up. Don't do that.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard.
I'm listening.
Please, allow these children to marry. I wouldn't want you to be the reason for their unhappiness. They love each other so much. Pico.
No, I don't understand. Yeah, joblessness. So you left your house, your home, to this place just to tell me how to train my daughters.
Nai, please don't get me wrong. What I'm saying is that you have to see reasons and understand your children.
There is nothing, absolutely nothing to understand. Yes! As in even in just because you were my late wife's friend, you think you have the gut. In fact, now listen to me. You are no more needed in this family. We don't want to see you again in this family. Yes, you have crossed your boundaries and we need to cut it off.
Nani, I was just trying to...
No, just hold it there. Just hold it there. Get out of my house. Angoleka! Get out of my house.
Papa, please.
You are a family destroyer. See them poor. See them poor.
Papa, please. Oh, please.
No. If you need
Papa, what you are doing is not fair now.
the life itself is not fair. Well, hear the fair. But you are not even fair. But you are not as a fair. Oh, what the fair?
Don't tell me you are still reflecting on what their father told you.
I have never been that humiliated in my whole life.
He has already declared us his enemies. So the best we can do is to stay far from them. Mama, please, Lieni, it's your food.
Good morning, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
What do you want? Nama, what do you want? Eh? Your father made it very clear to my mother that he doesn't want to see her family close to yours. So why are you here?
I am here to see Mama.
You are here to see Mama. She's not around. Mama.
I'm so sorry about the way my father talked to you. He was so rude, Mama. Please.
Get up, my child. Get up. I hold nothing against you. It was your father who insulted me and not you. He made his point clear that he does not want to see my daughter and I in your house. And we have no other choice than to keep to it. Eh?
Mama, please don't mind my father. Mama, please. Don't mind my father. Don't take his words to heart, please. If not for anything, for the sake of the friendship you had with my mother, please.
It's okay, no problem. Eh? No problem. You are free to visit us. You and your sister can come here at any time. You can still confide in me if you please. But coming to your house, no, I don't think it will ever happen again. Okay?
I don't know why my father is just frustrating me like this.
I'm sorry.
Okay, Mama.
People says that a clever king is a brother to peace. I am highly impressed with the king's judgment today. I am highly impressed with the judgment of the king today.
Where you the case boys? Obodo wele ezigbo eze enwere nsogbu. Ejiro ha na agbananti agbananya. Onye tinye aka na ọkụ agbogbo. Let me tell you, see, those two boys that are fighting over a land, they have no choice than to resolve the issue on their own, considering the mandate the king gave to them.
Exactly, but not only resolving their issues. Next time, they will learn how to handle sensitive issues with caution.
You're right.
You're
right there. Yes, because a man who makes trouble for others makes trouble for himself too. Exactly. You see, Chibuzo and Abuchi, they have learned their lesson today. I'm telling you. What are the case I'm you know. Because what I discover is this. Anytime.
Sister Norma, since the past few days I've been observing you. You don't look well to me. Are you okay?
I've been feeling sick. I don't even know how my body is doing, but I know I'm sick.
Or maybe you ate something you're not supposed to eat.
Is it not the same food you people have been eating here that I'm eating as well? There's nothing unusual I ate.
Then I suggest you go and see the medicine man.
Of where?
Let him know what is wrong with you. You don't look well to me.
I will. Everywhere is just smelling.
I'm not perceiving anything now. Eh?
Smelling. Are you not perceiving the smell? No. You're not perceiving the smell? You are not perceiving it. I am finished.
But I told you to be careful. Now look at what you got yourself into. I can't believe Obina could do such a thing, knowing the consequences involved.
It is not Obina.
What do you mean it's not Obina?
I've never slept with Obina or any other man.
Here.
I don't even know how I got this pregnant.
You were joking, right? Because what you said sounds ridiculous. How can you get pregnant without sleeping with a man? Can you listen to yourself?
You have to believe me on this one, Ada. I swear by the ghost. I've not slept with any man.
No, I know nobody will believe you. In as much as I am your friend, I know you very well. Fine. But I don't even believe you either.
You have to believe me on this one. I am still a virgin. I did not sleep with any man.
Fine. How did it come?
I don't know. Ada, please, you have to stand with me, please. I did not know I got pregnant. I'm still a virgin. I swear by the gods, I'm still a virgin.
I'm finished. Sister, what is it? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You are finished. Sister, how? Somebody should say something. What is wrong?
Norma is pregnant.
Pregnant? Sister, why? Why will you allow Obina to get you pregnant now? What kind of a thing is this?
Obina is not responsible for my pregnancy.
Chimu.
I don't know who got me pregnant.
Norma! Norma! What did I hear you say? That boy got you pregnant? That useless boy got you pregnant? Eh?
I don't know who got me pregnant, Papa.
Are you out of your mind?
No.
Mba. Are you out of your mind?
Mba.
What are you trying to say? A grown-up girl like you don't know who got you pregnant? Ebe go name?
I don't know.
Kebo name? Imagine bali yenu. Huh? I know what you're trying to cover up. You want to cover him up? You want to defend him? You are making the worst mistake of your life. He cannot get you pregnant and allow you roaming around. He has no choice than to make you his wife. Let him be ready to do that. Yes, I am saying it and I'm serious. Because you know, get you pregnant and just leave you like that. He must take you in as his wife. Yes! But no matter how you cover him up, it will not work. He has gotten you pregnant and let him be ready to take you in as his wife. That is the only thing. Okay? Let him be ready to do that. Yes, I am saying it and I'm serious. He cannot just impregnate you and allow you just like that to move you without any person that is responsible. He must respond to his responsibility. Yes, he must take you in as his wife. Yes. Then Both of you will bear the consequences of violating the tradition of this land. After that, his deeds will be presented to him. Yes.
How could you? How could you? Hey!
I don't know, Ada, please. You have to believe me.
Greetings to you too. Please, I am not in the mood for what you came to do the other day. As you can see, I'm already on my way out.
I am not even here to persuade you to love me. I am here to tell you that the same girl you rejected me for, the same girl you're killing yourself over, is pregnant for another man.
What are you talking about?
Norma is pregnant.
Ada, stop. Enough of this expensive joke.
I am not joking. I personally accompanied her to the medicine man who confirmed she's pregnant. At first, I thought you were responsible until she said otherwise. As a matter of fact, she doesn't even know who is responsible. Meaning, Norma was jumping from one man to another.
Ada, stop! Ada, please just leave.
You think I'm lying? Okay, you can go and ask her yourself. Go!
Hi.
Norma doesn't deserve you. You are a good man. Eh? She has been jumping from one. Norma will tell me, I am going here, I am going to the other place. You have to do something. You don't have to feel bad, okay? You don't have to feel bad. You know I like you. I love you. You're a good man.
Noma, how could you? Noma, why? Why did you do this to me, Norma?
Kim, I'm sorry. I am sorry. I didn't know how it happened.
You didn't know how it happened? You didn't know how you got pregnant? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Kim, I'm sorry. I'm serious. The pregnancy is still a mystery to me.
Ada said it, oh. Ada told me, but I didn't believe her. So you've been sleeping with different men, right? No, you've been opening your to different men. Hi.
You mean Ada said all that to you?
Does it matter? Eh? Hi. No, I trusted you. I loved you. I had sleepless nights, begging the gods to make it work for us. This is how you chose to pay me back. Noma, you shattered my heart. Noma, why?
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination. Chuku keruwa biazo putangwagio. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Onye naju ajuju choro komara. Chimumuraya. Olisa do. Chimumuraya. Chimebekino. Chimumuraya. bịa zọpụta nwa gị o Chimumuraya Chimumuraya ofu ụbọchị aga m enwe mmeri Chimumuraya ihe zoro ezo ga-apụta n'ife Chimumuraya ama m n'ezi na Chimumuraya bịa zọpụta nwa gị o Chimumuraya Chimumuraya ofu ụbọchị aga m enwe mmeri Chimumuraya ihe zoro ezo ga-apụta n'ife Chimumuraya ama m n'ezi na Chimumuraya
Obinna, the food you have been cooking is ready now. It is ready. But I tell you something. Prepare. Just get prepared for the consequences of your action. You got my daughter pregnant. Yeah? It won't want me, man.
Unanyokabo. Unanyokabo, leave my house now before I exhibit my anger on you. Hey.
How dare you? You don't have respect for an elder like me. You are not afraid of elders like me.
Why will I be afraid of you? No, tell me, why will I be afraid of you? Now, Yokaba, I have lost respect for you long ago. Now, if you don't leave my house, I will kill you.
You are threatening me? No, are you threatening me?
It's not a threat. It's not a threat. I am only telling you what I will do to you if you don't leave my house.
Try me.
Dare
me! Dare me!
Just wait, hold on.
Damn me! Hey! Hey!
No, you should have waited now. Why are you running? Huh? Why are you running?
Honestly, Obinna, I'm still trying to believe everything you just told me. I mean, how can Norma do that?
Honestly, I don't know. I just wish someone can give me an answer to this question. I mean, why? Why me? How could she do this to me? Why? Eh?
This is strange, oh. This is really, really strange. I never imagined that Norma of all persons would subject herself to such act. As if that was not enough, our father even came to your house to confront you.
Oh. Ha! Kelechi, honestly, I'm losing it. I don't even know what to do at this point.
Calm down, my friend. We will resolve this.
Resolve?
We'll resolve this.
No, there is nothing to resolve. This is totally out of control.
It's okay if you say so, but...
Ada, how can Norma say she doesn't know who got her pregnant?
My sister, I am confused. That was what she told me.
And she's serious about it?
Of course she is.
Hey?
She said it was not Obinna.
Yes.
And I asked her, who is responsible? She said she didn't even know, that I should believe her. I should believe her. She hasn't done it before.
Ihe na-eme. Ihe na-eme. Hey? Hey? How will my mother feel when she hears about this? Knowing how close she was with her mother.
I know everybody will be surprised. I know.
The pan on Norma. Hey, Chineke.
It's a lesson to all of us.
Ha! Hey!
You know Chika?
Eh.
The one that stays in Enugu now.
Eh.
I visited her, so she said she wants to change my face.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. Obinna, greetings. Greetings, Obinna. What is in your mind?
Sorry, dear.
I've been standing here greeting, but you didn't respond.
I'm sorry. I was lost in thoughts.
Do you mind sharing your thoughts with me? I might be of help.
Oh, no. You can't help in this one.
Is it about Noma?
Yes. It's about her.
I'm sorry about everything. Since it's not working, why not move on with your life? There are many girls out there that are willing to accept and make you happy.
It's not easy.
I know, but you can't...
I love her so much.
I know, but you can't keep on forcing what is not working. Obinna, look at me. Am I not beautiful enough for you to notice me?
I don't understand.
What do you mean you don't understand? I love you. I love you from the start. It's just that you were blindfolded by Noma.
Noma is your friend.
I know. But that doesn't restrict me from admitting the truth. Can't you see that nature is working in our favor? Her father doesn't want you because you're destined to be one.
Oh, please don't do this. Ada, stop! Ada, stop!
Are you sure Sister Noma is saying the truth?
Noma cannot tell unnecessary lies. But this is very difficult to believe. How can a person be pregnant without knowing who is responsible? Where does that happen, eh?
Well, that is strange. What if she was drugged by someone?
Even if she was drugged, she would have imagined herself in such a scenario. But this one is, she can't even remember such thing ever happening.
Wait, are you saying if she was drugged, at least she would have seen herself that same place?
Of course! The perpetrator couldn't have moved her out like that for him not to be caught.
See, you might be right, but I don't trust Obinna. Honestly, he might have a hand in this. I don't trust that.
Even if it is true, I believe the truth will finally come out. Nothing is hidden under the sun. The truth will come out. So let's just wait until the truth comes out.
Oh, really? So, what do we have?
Your favorite.
My favorite. Oh, I get it now. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Should I dish it out for you?
No, don't bother. Let me eat it from the flask.
Okay. Let me feed you.
Is that necessary?
Please don't say no. It means a lot to me.
Well, you are free. This is what you want. Eh?
What is going on here? Obinna! Ada, what are you doing with my man? He's even giving you food! What are you doing with this rubbish? You! What are you doing with Obinna?
Who is your man? Eh? Who is your man? How are you dealing with my man? My friend Sebapo.
This is no Obinna.
Leave my house!
Ada! Even you with my man. Obinna, don't allow this to happen to us. I am normal. This is Ada. It's me now. Stop eating this food, Obinna. Obinna, it's me now. It's normal.
Well, you know the one that opened the door for others to enter. And you are here, I'm normal. My friend, leave my house. I said, leave!
You are doing this to your best.
Obinna, let's go. Just hold it.
Let's go inside.
No, just wait.
Ada!
Nonsense. Can you imagine that? Don't mind her. Don't just mind her.
She should not come back.
She will never come back in this house.
Will you come back here? What is the meaning of this? Why are you both blocking my way?
In case you've not noticed, we are not here to answer your useless questions. Rather, we are here to teach you a great lesson that you will never forget in your life.
So, Ada, this is who you are. You betrayed our sister and took away her man.
Point of correction. Norma betrayed herself. And the man she claimed to love. I was not there when she committed abomination. Neither was I there when she betrayed Obinna.
You're very stupid. You're not even ashamed of yourself.
At all, she's not ashamed.
Did you just say, I am not ashamed of my deed?
Of course you're not.
The last time I checked, I only took the opportunity she provided for me. And that's all. Norma should be the one to be ashamed of herself for not having sense of integrity.
How dare you talk about my sister in such manner, How dare you? How dare you?
Onyinye.
Onyinye.
You want me to beat you?
You will not do
Onyinye,
anything.
Onyinye, you want me to beat you?
What are you?
Hey, what's happening here? What's happening here? It's okay.
Are you mad? It's okay.
Leave her alone. You will kill her. It's okay now.
I can get out. Who invited you here?
It's okay. It's okay.
Who invited you here, Oga? She doesn't allow those useless girl a great lesson.
You want to kill her?
Leave me alone!
Shameless.
Why are you holding me?
She's not holding me. She's making mouth.
What can you
You're still making mouth.
Why are you holding me?
You are holding me. This is just small. This is the beginning. You have not seen anything. It cannot be anything. This one is the beginning. Okay, don't you talk to me.
You. It's okay now.
It's me.
You change.
Touch me now, change. Let us show you. See, this one is small, though. This one is small.
Oh, carry your slippers.
Look at her. Look at her.
Shameless girl.
Just go for Thanksgiving on Sunday. He has
Sarah, just leave them.
Leave them. You can go. Tomorrow is another day. We'll
Shameless girl. You're not even ashamed of yourself.
This one is small.
Betrayer.
Next time we see you, we'll give you pink and blue beating. They go to call the husband snatcher, boyfriend snatcher.
Oh my God.
Don't go and look for your own.
What happened to you? Who did this to you?
Look at my body. Are they mad? Why would they do this to you now? What happened?
I don't know. I was on my way going home. They accosted me. They told me I betrayed Norma and took you away from her. By the time I knew it, they attacked me and beat me up with my body.
And what kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? Was it not their sister who betrayed herself and betrayed me as well?
No.
Sorry. I can't take this anymore. Eh? No, I can't take this. Uche, I am warning you. Do not exhibit such madness again on the girl I love.
Obina, you should be ashamed of yourself. You're a disgrace to manhood.
It is your sister and her cursed generation that you are talking to, not me.
Eh? Who gave you the audacity to come into this compound and vomit rubbish? Are you mad? Is anything wrong with you?
Look at Uche.
Are you crazy?
Is it me you are talking to?
Yes! Are you crazy?
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
What can you do? What do you want to do? You want to fight me, Abi? Do you want to fight me? Oh yeah, hold on. What will you do?
Just leave them.
So you want to fight? You want to fight, Abi? You want to fight? You are always running and you will not stay in your house peacefully. Now you ready to come back? I will not fight you your head.
You can just come, man. He will fight.
One common straight to your house. But always go to people's house to look for trouble. Rubbish. Look at them. Are you running? Come back and fight! Useless human beings. Look at them. This is what joblessness. Foolishness. Go get back now. Look at them. They are like. Now you ready to come back? Come back and fight. Hi. Always go to people's house to look for trouble. Rubbish. Who not appearing on the matter? Jobless human. No, come and fight. You are broke. I would have fought this one. You would have done it now. No, they should be happy. I wasted time. You would have done it. People should be happy. Look at this fools. Breakfast very well today. Nonsense. Come and vomit rubbish in my compound.
What did you do? What did you do?
What do you mean?
Why would both of you attack her?
Because she betrayed you. She deserves even more. Why did you pour her this water now? That's the mistake I made. Next time. Hi. What do you mean?
You shouldn't have done that now. Now Obina will be angry with me. You still love him.
Hey!
What is wrong with you girls?
Hey! Sister Kwal. How can you still love a man who insults you, frustrates you, intimidates you, and humiliates you before everybody?
Am I complaining?
And he takes you for granted.
Am I complaining? Ha! Did I ask you to fight for me? Did I ask you to fight for me? Is it not my fight? Please, you leave Ada and Obina alone for me. Obina most especially. Please, it is my fight. Biko, I don't want it again, no. You are fighting Obina. Let me see who will fight Obina again.
Did she say leave Obina for her? See who we are fighting for. Sister, eh? Wait. Did she say leave Obina alone? Me, I am confused though. Why is she even defending this useless boy? What is wrong with her? This is not the sister I used to know. Hey! Hi! Oh my God, you're something. Oh my God, you're not a user.
Good afternoon.
Mom, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Okay, you're going out?
Yeah, I was going to see my friend Kelechi.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to talk to you. Because don't be angry that I stopped you on the road to talk.
Mama, go ahead now. I'm not angry.
Okay.
Yes,
what I'm going to say might upset you. Mana uto odina na gidem one, oh?
Mama, go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, Mama.
I should talk.
Mama, talk.
Okay. You know, I've always known you as a good man. A man who knows and respects our norms, customs and tradition. And we all in this village know that you would have married Norma if not for her father's disagreement. Biko, I want to ask. Should I say ask?
Mama, go ahead now. Ask.
Biko, what?
Yes, Mama.
Are you the one responsible for Norma's pregnancy?
Mama,
Mama, I swear with the soil, I am not responsible for Norma's pregnancy. Mama, Norma and I agreed to remain celibate until we get married before what happened.
This is serious. Hey.
Mama, honestly, I am not lying. I am telling you the truth, the whole truth. In fact, may judgments befall me like a wild storm if I lie about Norma's pregnancy. Anyways, Mama, like I told you, I was going to see my friend Kelechi. So I don't know if I can go now.
You can go. Take good care of yourself.
All right.
Who is responsible? Yay!
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent. Obimo, obonye kanga bakuru. What I am passing through, I don't know the.
The same story. They didn't see anything wrong with me.
How can they say that? You're 11 months gone already. How can someone in his right senses say nothing is wrong with you?
Hey, get my food and water for me.
Okay.
Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Agwa ehi na-enweghị ọdụdụ, ọ bụ chi ya na-achụrụ ijiji. Ihe zoro ezo will come to light.
How was sales today?
As you can see, I sold everything. If you see the way they were rushing my peers, I can't even wait for the next market day to come.
Oh, well, I'm so happy to hear this. You see, those pears you took to the market are the best species of its kind.
You said so.
And besides, those pears are medicinal. Hey, I'm so happy.
Guess who I saw when I was coming back from the market?
Who?
Norma, of course.
Okay, you started again. Of course, you will see Norma now. Is it not this small village that we are in together?
Yeah. It's not normal.
You will see her. Hey. Okay.
I don't know what is happening.
Okay, I think it's the baby.
Hmm?
Hey.
Onyinye, what took you so long?
Welcome. Thank you. I'm sorry. I had to wait for Mama Shinaza to give me the oil.
Hope you know it's your turn to cook this evening.
I know. You don't need to remind me.
I just want to be sure you are well.
Sister, if you see what I saw today, I saw Obin and Ada. And from all indications, she's in labor. If you see the way he was just carrying her, I saw them all.
What is wrong with you?
How do you mean?
How can you say such a thing before now? And you know she's in so much pain. That will break her down.
How do you
know?
mean?
She was pregnant before Obina got married to Ada. And now Ada is in labor and she's still pregnant. Doesn't that ring a bell to you?
I'm sorry. I didn't know when I said it. And I didn't even consider how she would feel.
See, you just have to look for a way to make her happy. Because she has passed through a lot.
I will make her happy. I'll try my best. Please, sorry.
Kim, what is it? Kim, what is it now? Talk to me. What happened? Kim, what happened? Kim, talk to me. What is it? Talk to me, Kim. What happened?
I had a terrible dream. Norma came to our house. When he came, I was lying on the mats. Eventually, I was coming out of the room and met Norma at the verge of starving our own son, your own precious son.
No. May the gods forbid. Not my son.
The dream was so real. It was very clear. Obim, you have to do something. That girl is a witch. She's a witch. She has tied her own baby in her own womb. Now she's coming after my son.
Never. This is not possible. She will never have the chance of coming close to this house. Not to talk of touching my son.
This is not the man I got married to. You must do something. Do something about it. Else, I will go with your precious son.
No. Come on. Okay. It hasn't gotten to that. I was on my way to your house to warn you. Now listen to me and listen very carefully. Whatever evil plan you are planning against my child will not. Don't you dare. I forbid you from mentioning my name. Now I am telling you for the last time. Leave my family alone!
You are causing me.
Sister Norma, how could you? Why? Why do you want to take your own life?
I want to die.
Don't say that.
What am I living for? Yeah,
and the undo.
Don't say that. Biko.
I don't know what the ghosts are waiting for. They should come and kill me.
No.
I want to
not
die.
No.
I want to die. I want to die. I want to die, Papa. I want to die. Tell the gods to kill me.
No, you will not die. Stop crying. Ozugo, stop. Die. It's okay. Stop. Okay. Stop crying.
Is there any change?
No. Not at all. She's still the same. I don't understand what is happening. This is not natural.
Are you saying she's going to remain like this for the rest of her life?
That is not what I'm saying. But she can still give birth. Just that I don't know when.
That's what everyone keeps saying. The 4 medicine men that came, same thing. Can't any of you help her take away this pain? The pain is too much.
The fastest and easiest way to solve this problem is to take her to the hospital. Then they will open the stomach and bring out the baby.
No! You wanted to kill my sister before bringing out the child?
I'm only suggesting an option that could be of help.
Enough, please. Enough! The suggestion is not welcomed.
Ebelebe nsuja o! Ebelebe nsuja. Ọkụ mbụ n'aka, ihe nọ ya n'ime. Ebelebe nsuja. Ebelebe nsuja o! Ebelebe nsuja. Ebelebe nsuja o! Ebelebe nsuja. Ebelebe nsuja o!
If I knew this would result to this, I wouldn't have done what I did. Now see what I have gotten my innocent daughter into. I can't even help her situation. I wake every morning seeing the result of my deed, staring its face at me. What am I going to do? How can I end her pains?
Norma,
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Ọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent. Obi mo ọ bụ onye ka m ga-agbakụrụ. What I am passing through, I don't know the cause. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Ọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Agwa ehi na-enweghị ọdụdụ, ọ bụ chi ya na-achụrụ ijiji. Ihe zoro ezo will come to light one day. On that day of a mighty wind, n'ezi ike ọkụkọ ga-emepe. Mgbe ahụ ka ị ga-amata na chi na-efe mụrụ anya. Olisa do 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 do. Biazoputa nwa gị o. Ofu ụbọchị aga m enwe mmeri. Ihe zoro ezo ga-apụta n'ife. Ama m n'ezi na chi mụrụ anya. A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and wife. It is written. How then would it be when our father stands as hindrance? Please tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Ọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Olisa do 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 do. Chimebe kino. Biazoputa nwa gị o. Ofu ụbọchị aga m enwe mmeri. Ihe zoro ezo ga-apụta n'ife. Ama m n'ezi na chi mụrụ anya.
How are you doing?
I am dying.
Do you care for akara? Let me give you. Ichoro.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ.
Now, wow. Mama, she might be going to Bina's house again.
I don't understand. Only the courts know the truth between two of them.
Obimo, obonye kanga bakuru. What I am passing through, I don't know the cause. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara.
Let it not be what I'm thinking, no.
You mean she visited Obinna again?
Of course. That's the only place she derives pleasure in visiting. I don't know, seriously.
I know, but I still don't believe after what is happening, she still went to see Obinna.
To me, I think sister will not stop going there. She cannot stop visiting Obinna, or else something is done about it.
Something like what? Like tying her down with a rope or locking her inside?
Do you have any better idea?
I suggest we go after her.
I don't think it is necessary. After going wherever she's going to, she will definitely come home. So no need of stressing ourselves. Let's wait for her to come back.
Yeah, I know she will come back. But we both know what happens if anytime she visits Obinna.
I suggest we give her some time. She's a grown-up. Just leave her. Then if she doesn't come home, we can go look for her. As for me, I'm going inside though. You can stay and be waiting for her.
Hey, what kind of a thing is this? How long are we going to be doing this?
She will come back. Me, I'm inside.
What we are going to be doing almost every day? Hi. Come and see who we have here.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I'm talking to you. What are you doing in my house?
I'm here to see you.
To see me? For what?
Obinna. Obinna, please stop doing this to me. You know I love you.
Love who? How dare you say you love my husband right before my own eyes? Are you okay?
Obinna.
What are you still doing here? Now leave my house. I said leave!
Please, no.
You heard what my husband said.
What are you still doing here? Now leave.
You heard what my husband said. You heard what he said. Leave us. Mama, leave us now! Why are you tormenting us as if your placenta was buried here?
Happen now, you can't want to be Dobiko.
No.
Here.
I don't want to see you here again. Stop tormenting my family with your presence. Do you hear me?
Nika, what do we call this nonsense? If I refund her now, the community will say I've committed an abomination upon the one she's carrying on.
I don't care what the community will say. If she steps her toes into this compound again, I will kill her.
Does she not look dead already? Eh?
Don't worry, she won't come again. Oyom.
I can't cook. After cooking, you expect me to be fetching water. Papa, welcome.
Papa, welcome.
Hi, darling. All right.
Papa is back.
Where is Norma?
Papa, we didn't see her when we came back from the stream.
Where could she have gone to?
Papa, you already know the possible place she would have gone to. All of us, we know.
Again?
Papa, we have to do something about this. We need to stop Sister Norma from going to Obina's house. I don't know why she's bent on following him around after everything that has happened, and it's still happening.
Why is this girl very stubborn? Why? Huh? I don't understand. Is the time not long enough for this girl to push on and forget about all this?
Papa, 18 months is far enough for her to forget about everything. But the way she's thinking about it is as if it just happened yesterday. And the more she frequents Obina's house, it's not good for her. It's affecting her. She just have to stop it.
Oh. I wish your mother is still alive. She would have been in the best position to handle this. She would have been in the best position to handle this. Okay. I hope my food is ready.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent. Obi mo, ọ bụ onye ka m ga-agbakụrụ. What I am passing through, I don't know the cause. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ.
I'll be leaving.
To where?
Have you forgotten? I told you earlier that Mwechi has a job for me.
Oh. It skipped my mind. It was because of that useless witch that came to torment my peace here.
Hi. Okay. I have told you before to stop making references towards her. If you continue like this, it will be hard for you.
I will try not to mention her name again. She doesn't want it.
So, can I leave now?
Just take good care of yourself.
I will, and you too. Just pay 5,000 now.
5,000?
5,000.
No, it's too much. I'll give you 1,500.
Eh?
1,500.
No, now. All this place, I can't reach for 1,500 now. Even 4,000, I won't work.
Okay,
it's big now.
2,000.
But you consider now. I'm a family man. No.
2,000.
Oh, okay. You just pay 4,000.
No, 3,000.
No, I can't do this for.
If you don't want
yeah,
it,
wait.
Let me go and call other people.
Pay 4,000.
No, 3,000 is okay. I'm going.
Where are you going now? It hasn't got into that.
Let me go and call another person.
No, now it has not got into that.
3,000
Where
is
are you?
okay.
Okay, fine. I'll do it.
Do it very well. Make sure that you cut it very well.
No problem. I'll do it. I'll do it very well. But in case of next time, my charge is 5,000 naira. Eh?
No problem.
No problem. No, I'll do a neat job now. You will like it.
This one that we are helping a more to reduce from. I hope all is well. You are talking to yourself. I will move it.
As you can see, I am not in the mood for this nonsense.
No, more about the nonsense. No problem. I don't have any problem with the nonsense of your nonsense. But the truth is that my problem is that I overheard you mentioning Obina's name repeatedly. What have Obina done to you to warrant you mentioning Obina like that with this your gutter mouth? Tell me, I am all ears. I want to hear you.
Ego. Ego the drunk. Watch your tongue.
More drunk.
Watch your tongue.
More drunk.
Yes.
You called me drunk. Now let me ask you one question, please, with due respect and every integrity plus derogatory even in die together. Have you ever seen me liquor alcohol before? Have you ever seen me? You have never seen me liquor alcohol. But I've caught you times with that number, liquid alcohol. Yet you call me drunk. My leg is firmly placed on the floor.
Yes. Your leg is firm.
Now let me tell you something. You see, Obina, you better go back to your family. All your family, you advise yourself, especially that your daughter, to leave Obina, because the root of her misfortune is dead, yet alive. Or when I want to go and advise her. I won't tell you this again. I like you, that's why I said it.
The root of her misfortune is dead, yet alive. Meaning what?
Meaning I told you what I need to tell you. But if you need interfere, you need to come and meet me in my chambers. I will interfere to you. And you will come with envelope.
Don't ever want to be serious in your life. You don't have anything reasonable to say at any time. So just let me go. Let me go!
Well, let me tell you. Oh, you have the ghost to push me. Push me, fall on the ground. But let me tell you, you must pay for this. The Igwe and the elders must meet on your behalf on your head. Do you know I'm a chieftaincy title of this town? You don't know I'm a chieftaincy title of where the gods shall fight. And when the elders converge to meet on your head and you pay the fine, you will know who I am. No problem. You push me down just because I want to tell you the truth. Oh, where's this one? Let me go to.
Call your useless husband for me.
Good morning.
Forget about good morning, whatever. There is nothing good about the morning. Just call your useless husband for me and want us to know who is a man. Let me see the man in him.
My husband is not a useless man.
He is a useless man, in case you don't know. That is what he is. And I say, call him. Let me say it to him. Let me say it to him face to face. Let me say to him that he's a useless man. Call him, I want to see him.
Nayukabo, you cannot come to our house and pick a fight with us. It's not possible.
You don't know me. I can go anywhere and pick a fight as far as I am right in what I am doing. What do you mean? You and your husband have been frustrating my daughter for no reason. And I've warned you people to stay away from my daughter.
Point of correction, man. Your daughter has been the one frustrating us. She has been the one tormenting my husband and I. What is all this now? Let her stay away from us.
You see, I don't want to exchange words with women. You are too little. I don't. That's what I've been avoiding. That's why I say, call your husband. Let me see him. If
you think you can fight my husband,
yes.
If you think you are strong enough to fight my husband, meet him in the farm.
Ah, is that what you want? Okay, you will see.
Old man, go and control that thing you call your daughter. The next time she steps her toes into this compound, it will never ever end the way it ended. Rubbish. You think you're strong enough to fight us?
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Modari iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent.
Columbo, yes, from there, be clearing it. You take it to that side. Walk.
Walk, Ugini. So this thing is true.
What is true?
Hey, come on.
What is it? Walk. Don't listen to anybody. Walk. What is it?
Look, why do you want to take my husband's land from me? Hey! Come.
Which land? Which land? This one? Oh, so your husband did not tell you? Your husband did not tell you that he borrowed a huge amount of money from me, which he could not pay before he died. Which one is?
Did I hear you well?
Yes.
If you do that thing again, I will curse you.
For what? If you come on, continue. If you don't do it, I will curse you.
Don't try me, oh. I'm a woman, a widow. I'm a widow.
If you are a widow, uncle, be very careful.
Chalukwa, did you say that my own husband borrowed money from you?
Yes. A huge sum of money that I couldn't pay before he died. He now used this land as a collateral. That is why I brought this laborer to come and clear it for me.
You think I don't know what you're doing?
You know what
you're doing all these things because I refuse to give you my akara on credit.
Which akara? That's your nonsense akara. That's what you're talking about. Which akara? Which akara? Let me tell you. You better take this your daughter. Joseph, out of this place. Makando geneluwa.
Makando?
Yes.
Makando?
Yes.
That means one of us will die here.
We'll die here.
Yes.
All right. What is that? Why are you back? You are falling on top of me. Idiot. Come on, repeat that. She's only calling.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That's the one.
It's funny, okay? Come back now. You think it's every widow you can do this to? Let me see one of you here. Madam Rokwebu Naman.
That's the thing.
Nonsense. Iloka. I thought I had seen it all. But if for this one, Mazi Iloka went to my land with those fools to lay claim to it.
Mama, we have to report to the king. It's not something to take it for granted.
I will definitely do that. But reporting him will not stop me from dealing with that idiot my own way. In his mind, I cannot do anything. Iloka, you will see that side of me you cannot imagine.
It's 30 minutes since we've been here now. Mazi Ude is not coming. Eh? You should have told me now, rather than keeping me here waiting. I would have made good use of it. Kelechi, what is it? If you have anything to say, then say it. You're making me uncomfortable with your stare.
Look, to be honest with you, man, I'm still wondering why you have refused to give normal listening ears. She's been begging and trying to explain, but you won't even give her a chance to explain herself.
What other chance do you want me to give her to explain, other than telling me she still loves me? But her father refused, and he won. And now she came with an overdue pregnancy, expecting me to accept responsibility. Yet, she decided to conceal who the father of the baby is.
I know all that. I know all that, Obina. I only feel for her because of her present condition.
Kelechi, if you have so much sympathy for her, then you know the road to her house.
I only have empathy on this girl because of the good times you both have shared together. Just give her a chance, I beg you.
Kelechi, you can as well make her your wife. Yes.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's just a friendly advice.
What kind of stupid advice is that? You're both in love and you've been together for some time now. You've had good times together. So why be ready to drop everything on a platter of gold? Just because of a little mistake she made. Look, I would only take this because you're my friend, but I have no interest on Norma.
If Obim, you are my bride, my queen, my everything. You didn't tell no one on me.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Who is your queen? And why are you blocking my road with your stinking body?
How many questions have you asked me now? Where's my queen? Why blocking? Why this? Why that? What is thinking? See, I don't even know the one to answer again. But the truth is that I want to let you know, and I want to put it inside your skull, and let me repose, and you understand me. I am your husband. You are my bride. I am your husband.
I reject it. I reject every aura of darkness revolved around you.
You cannot reject what the gods have ordained, because God have ordained me as your husband and you as my wife. You get the point now? Because you cannot reject anything. You are my own, I'm your own.
The next time you will stop me to vomit this rubbish again, I will kill you.
Kill your husband.
Don't take my words for granted, because I'm capable of doing such.
Akoko, wait, you are killing me. How many husbands are remaining in this village?
You want to kill me?
I am quite sure of what. See, I know your problem. What will happen now is that very soon I will just move straight to your home, pay your bride price, take you home,
let me pass.
And start. Oh, you're pushing me away. When I pay your bride price and to your father and your mother, and I will take you, you become Nenugu. If unayam, Umambunobi, Umambunobi. Hey, nah, I will pay for you and I will take you home.
Like, what is funny?
I don't understand. I'm wondering how lucky you are. You know the gods have finally favored you to have sent Igu to you as a husband.
Oh, did I just hear you right?
Eh? Why are you squeezing your face like that? I was only joking.
There are things you don't joke with. And this is one of them.
Ifunanya, what is even your problem? Why are you taking the words of an ordinary drunkard so serious?
I never tell what is controlling that fool. He might be using sham.
Did you just say charm? What do you mean? A drunkard? He's not using any charm.
Don't tell me you have forgotten about the story of Akili 10 years ago. How he hypnotized Oma into marrying him. Everyone thought she did it willingly. Not until he confessed his evil deed on his dying bed. But it was too late. It was too late for her. Because he took her youth away and made her mother of 5 children.
I did not forget that. It happened where we were still children, and it will repeat itself again. Not after what happened to Akili.
As far as this village is concerned, anything can happen, even as a chronic drunkard. Everyone saw Akili as a very vulnerable and innocent person.
I will not stop you to have the same impression about Igu. But I am certain, I am very sure that he's harmless. He's just a drunkard. Huh?
Everyone thought about Alka. The same thing everyone thought about Akili. As a harmless drunkard. Please, let's go.
You are our wife, whether you like it or not.
You will end it today. You took my man away from me. You shattered my happiness. You will die. You will never die. No.
What is it?
I had a nightmare. Norma attacked me this time around. She was about to stab me with a knife when I woke up.
Not again. Can't I just have peace in my own house?
It's fine.
Oh, thank God Ikenaya is fine. It's just a dream. At least she has not attacked you physically.
Must you wait for her to attack me physically before you can do something about it? I'm very sure she's planning evil against this family. And the earlier you do something about it, the better for both of us.
Okay, that's not your problem, okay? I'll comfort her tomorrow. Can you go out to sleep now? Can you just go out to sleep?
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent. Obi mo, ọ bụ onye ka m ga-agbakọ.
I have warned you, and I'm still warning you for the last time. I have heard you attack my family physically, and now you're attacking my family spiritually. I will not have you do that, oh! I am warning you. I am warning you. Me?
Yes, you. My husband and I are here to warn you to stay away from us. Attacking me in my dream is the height of it. What nonsense! Your sister is a witch, and you should stop attacking me physically and spiritually. Oh, you are even crying. If you try this rubbish again, you will see what I will do to you.
Tell them.
Oh, so you came to our house to call my sister a witch, Abi?
If you try that bullshit again, witch.
Okay.
And now you listen. I have exhausted my patience where she is. And her condition will not stop me from dealing with her. I better tell her. Warn her. Control her.
Look at this one.
Hey, how dare you? How dare you come to my house? Yes. Are you mad? Useless set of people.
You slapped me.
Yes, and I'll do
You just
it. You've not seen anything.
You've not seen
You just
anything
slapped
yet.
my
And
wife.
I will do it again.
You have to go to power over my wife.
What is happening here?
Wait, you have to go to power over my wife.
What is happening here?
Papa, they came to our house to fight us. They came to our house to fight us.
You, how dare you? How dare you step your foot? Nabemo. Hi.
Now you come and warn your daughters.
You warn your daughters. I'm telling you to warn them. Warn them, oh. Warn them before I damage something here.
Oh, you are still talking. Hey! How come Messi commit the murder? You can just come.
Sure you want to fight? Why are you running? Finish people! Why are you running? Useless set of people. Come back and fight. Fight. If you are too left. Sure you want to fight? Come and fight. Nonsense. Look at them. Give me 5. Next time, if they come, we pour them blood. They don't try.
Hey. Calm down now.
I am not happy at all. I am not happy leaving that house without Peter Opuche.
Hi.
It's not going well for me.
I know. But didn't you see her father carrying a cutlass? See, that man, Mazuko, is capable of doing anything. And I mean, I wouldn't want you to fight people who are carrying cutlasses.
Are you serious? But she emptied a bucket of water on me. Hey!
Don't worry, that is the end. Trust me. An opportunity will come for you to have your own pound of flesh. Oh? It's alright.
It's not for my baby. I wouldn't have left in such manner. Besides, their father is just an old man. One push from you and he will never wake up again.
Push. See, our mission is to put fear into Onoma and not to kill our father. Did you hear me?
Are you man enough at all? Eh? Did I ask you to kill him? I was just exaggerating my best.
Maziloka, if you ask me, I would suggest that you leave that woman alone. Yes, leave her alone. You and I know the truth. Her husband wasn't owing you any money before he died. If you have any personal issues with her, you go ahead and settle it than trying to hijack what does not belong to you. Odroma, stop this thing you're trying to do.
Iche, be very, very careful. What do you mean by that? The husband was owing me. Yes, the husband was owing me. Oh, okay. Just because I came to you for a help, you have suddenly turned yourself into a special advisor?
See, Maziloka, listen and listen good. Let me tell you if you don't know. Asking me to conspire and lie against a woman that has nothing against you is wrong. It's very wrong. Listen, I am a man of integrity, and that I cannot compromise. You know that.
Integrity, my foot. What do you mean by that? Asking you to do what? I didn't ask you for anything. I was only looking for what is my own. Bia, Iche, I thought you were my friend.
Yes, I am. Best of it for that matter. Best of it. And that is why I am trying to advise you as a good friend to stop what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Leave that woman alone.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Listen, I will never leave that woman alone. I will not leave her alone until I finish what is in my mind. In short, let me tell you now, I am going to deal with that woman. I will so deal with her that anytime she hears my name, she will run. Yes.
But don't say I did not tell you.
Don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything.
Don't say I did not tell you.
Oya, nezieno manyao, neno maya. Obi, your husband is here to see you.
Have you added madness to your drunkenness? How dare you come to my father's house vomiting this rubbish?
Obim, it's your husband you're talking to. Obim. And then on my nails. To present this token.
Leave this place now.
I know it might not be much, but manage it. Egonabia. When money comes, you will enjoy me. I enjoy you. Obim, I know you'll be sweet. You know, men looking at you, I know you've got everything I want in a woman. Everything is there. This is for the love I have for you.
I say leave now.
From the bottom of my... Wait, you never reach to fight. Wait, Leave
here. Stand up. Leave.
Because you are color like this. Let me tell you, money will come. Money will... Obim, wait.
Leave this place. Leave now. Mama, can you imagine this nonsense?
Oh.
Mama, I don't like this. Mama, you're not saying anything. This is not funny, Mama.
What do you want me to say? The whole thing is funny.
I don't like
And I couldn't help but laugh.
I don't like this, Mama.
Sorry.
You're only making things worse by laughing at me.
I'm not laughing at you. Biko Kanjukene, the bunch of flowers they brought, are they water leaves and ora? Or ogun? Which one? Hey! Oh, goodness. Hey! Hey! Moleka.
Good day, Baba. Fine, ma. Please give me a 100 naira.
Okay. Sister's pregnancy now.
It's 18 months plus.
Hey! You know what? Eh? I hope your father is doing something. At least Ojejo Ese.
He has tried. He has gone to so many places and they don't know what is happening to her.
I can imagine what you people are going through. But in no time, I believe everything will be over. Oh?
Amen.
Sorry, no
Amen.
people. Sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Onne.
I told you I will be back. And now I am back. Boys, sir, this is what I paid you for. Now, everything here turn upside down.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Don't touch it. Don't try it. Oh. I'll do something you will
What
not
are you
believe.
waiting?
I'll do something you will not believe.
Scatter everything.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Everything here.
Yes, sir.
Scatter them.
Yeah. Come now.
You don't want to. Don't push it back. Push it back. This is our vision.
That foolish man, Iloka, came to my shop today.
What for again?
What else if not to make trouble? Eh? If not to make trouble. He came with his stouts and told them to scatter my shop.
What? And they did?
Did again. Eh? So you think I would stay there and watch them destroy my business?
So Mama, how did you resolve it? How did you resolve it, Mama?
I poured the oil on him. Those thugs of his were lucky that they ran before the oil there. If not, Aluakeme. Nonsense. Anyway, there's no problem. I'm here, Chebilia. I'm here. I will sit down here and wait for whatever thing he wants to do. Yes, I know ever. Give me water. No. Hey, we go let him come. Imagine.
Where are you coming?
Oh, I am coming from Mazi Loca's house.
Mazi Loca's house?
Yes.
Yeah, somebody told me that he had little misunderstanding with Angoleka.
Misunderstanding is understatement. You need to see the type of hot oil that Angoleka poured on Mazi Loca's face.
Hot oil, what?
And the damage that thing did on his face.
What happened? What did he do to her?
Because he was unable to tell me what transpired between two of them. The only thing he said was that Angoleka is a witch.
Forget that one. Forget that talk. Huh? When you're gonna go, Angoleka is a witch. Go do a one manoko. Mazi Loca is mischievous. He must have done something. Angoleka is a very cool, responsible woman. I don't think she can do a thing like that with us. So, oh yeah,
I want to believe so.
In
fact, I am thinking so. What's your cup? If Gogi.
Let me go there.
Oh, you want to go there?
Let me go and verify.
Oh, yeah, now. Go.
Okay. Hey.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chuku keru wabiazo putamwagio. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Onye naju ajuju choro komara. Afufu akarurimu onye kamejoro. Chuku mobingwa, I am innocent. Obimo,
where is she going?
What I am passing through, I don't know.
I hope she's not planning on doing something harmful to herself.
Very, very big abomination. Chuku keru wabiazo putamwagio. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Onye naju ajuju choro komara. Agwa ehi na-enweghị ọdụdụ, ọ bụ chi ya na-achụrụ ijiji. Ihe zoro ezo will come to light one day. On that day of a mighty wind, n'ezi ike ọkụkọ ga-emepe. Mgbe ahụ ka ị ga-amata na chi na-efe mụrụ anya. Olisa do 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 do.
It is burning inside me like fire. Why me? Why am I suffering for what I don't know? Why am I suffering for what I don't know? Please come and kill me and set me free from this unknown affliction. Come and set me free from this unknown affliction. I want to die. I want to die. Come and kill me. Come and kill me. I am tired of suffering. No. I am tired of suffering. No. I am tired of this affliction. Come and take my life. I want to die. The gods of our land, come and take my life. Come and take my life. I want to die. I want to die.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazọpụta nwa gị o. N'ọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent.
Wait, she's not at the backyard. She's not under the awkward tree as well. Eh? She's not there. I've searched for her everywhere. I can't find her.
I just pray she didn't visit Obinna again.
I don't think Sister Norma would do that. Not after what happened the last time.
Don't be too sure. You know how stubborn Sister Norma is. We just have to go after her.
Hey, you have a nice idea, but I don't think it's necessary going after her. Let us wait for Papa to come back. He needs to be aware that she's not in the house.
We can't wait for Papa. Before he will come back from his cabinet meeting, we have to go and look for her.
I still don't accept that. It's almost past 12. Papa will start coming back soon. Let us just wait for him. Let's wait a little. Every time on API, she will not be in the house. She's always going out.
Why does it have to be this same issue every time? Is she the only person in this house? Me, seriously, I'm tired. I'm just tired.
I'm not going anywhere to look for her. Let her go and come back. She left with her 2 legs. She will still bring herself back to this house.
Every blessed day, why does it have to be Norma's case? I'm tired. Seriously, I'm tired.
I'm just tired.
Don't you think you should be concerned about your daughter's situation now? Huh? Especially now that no medication has been able to resolve it. Huh?
I don't understand. How do you mean?
See, Okabo, I suggest you go to Ndiabo to seek the face and the voice of their seer. Except if you're comfortable seeing her like that.
No, God forbid. How can I be comfortable seeing my precious daughter like that? It's not good now. Don't say it. You and I know that we'll be moving around, finding solution, but all to no avail.
This is why I am suggesting you go to Ndiabo. Eh? Go there and seek the face of their seer. You know, go. Norma is not my daughter, but I feel her pains.
Thank you, Mazi, but I will consider that. Yes.
Don't just consider. Don't just consider. You should be talking about going there immediately. Don't ask him consider. Huh?
You're right. You're right. I will go there tomorrow. I'll go there tomorrow. I want to round off certain things with Mazi today. Tomorrow I'll go there.
Okay, no problem. So what do
What is wrong with this man? Or condition on my na-eme ya o ji emere otu a. It's affecting him. Two of them are even there eating. We are busy looking for our sister.
What are the both of you doing here?
We came to see if our sister is here. As what? Eh? Is this your sister's house? Hey. Or does this place look like a resting place for your sister?
You can ask them. Ask them.
She's not been at home since morning. And we all know this is the only place she's fond of coming.
You're very stupid.
Oh. Eh? Oh. So the both of you comfortably walked into my house without any iota of fear, and you're asking me after Norma.
Both of you are very stupid. I can see the depth of your foolishness. Leave my husband's house.
Huh?
I said leave my husband's house! Are you both deaf? Didn't you just hear what my wife said?
We go nowhere until you provide our sister. We're not going anywhere.
Can you imagine?
Leave! Are you sure Norma is not here? Norma! What is it? Leave me alone. Don't try me. Don't ever try me. Norma!
No, just hold. Sebi, Norma, Abi? Eh? Norma? Wait now, let me bring you Norma for you. Honey, let me bring you Norma for them.
Eh, you don't want to go. No, don't run! Come back and take Norma! Norma is inside sleeping.
No, come now! Eh?
Fools! Come and take Norma now.
Mugu.
This place looks like a refugee camp. Where Norma will come and take refuge. Stupid people.
Did you Norma marry a placenta here?
Your entire family, they lack common sense. Idiot. Now, come and enjoy the food. Don't mind them. They will not come back here again. Eh? I'm in charge. This is my house. Nobody can push me out of this house. Is it not a baby?
So Obinna brought out a gun for us just because we went to look for Sister Norma. That is how they would have ended our lives, just like that.
But you caused it. I was against going to his house because I know what he would do to us. Considering what happened the last time.
But going there was very necessary because we needed to confirm if she was there.
Okay, now you've known she's not there. What are you going to do?
I believe she's at Obinna's house. This whole thing is getting me scared.
I would suggest we ask questions, though. Let us ask questions.
See, come to think of it, what if she's already at home and we are still here looking for her?
Oh, it's very possible. But let us still ask people. And so we'll not make some mistake again.
Please, did you by any means see Sister Norma on the way?
No, I didn't.
Huh.
Hey, is there a problem?
You mean you did not see her?
No.
Hey, we've been looking for her everywhere.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't see her. But if I eventually see her on the road, I'll pass the message.
Oh, if you see her, just tell us. Eh? Let us know. Thank you. Oh.
Thank you so much.
I just hope she will tell us.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazoputa nwa gị o. Modari iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afufu akariri mu onye ka mejọrọ.
Papa, thank the gods we are back. Ha! We've been waiting for you since. What happened?
I went to Wakwe's house. I hope there's no problem.
Papa, there is a problem, oh. Since morning we returned from the stream, we searched for Sister Norma in this entire village. We even felt she went to stretch herself. But since morning, she's not yet back. Till now.
Have you people gone to Obinna's house to look for her?
Hey, Papa, we went to Obinna's house. He nearly killed the both of us. He brought out his gun and chased us away.
Also. Obinna wanted to kill both of you. Now get the message.
Papa, how we escaped his house was a miracle.
Papa, see, what happened at Obinna's house shouldn't be a problem. We should be concerned about Norma's whereabouts. No positive response from any of these villagers. Ha!
Maybe she went to the market.
No, that's not possible. You know, market is the last place she hates to see herself since this whole thing started. She can't be there.
Oh, we can go.
Mama, I'm back.
What kept you for so long?
Mama, I'm sorry. I went to Mary's house to collect something, but she was not around.
What about the things I asked you to buy?
They're inside the nylon, Mama.
Okay.
Mama, I saw Onye and Uche when I was coming back. And you were moving around asking everyone if they saw their sister Norma.
When did they start looking for her?
I don't know, Mama. But from the expressions, I guess it has been long.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chuku keru abiazo putangwagio. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Oye naju ajuju choroko.
Where is she going? That's the road to Mbaga Shrine. Why is she going there? Since the Jane priest died, that shrine has been empty. I hope she's not trying to do something to harm herself.
Olisa do 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 do. Chime bekino. Chimumurayo. Biazo putangwagio. Chimumurayo. Yeah. Chimumurayo. Ofu bochiagame wemeri.
Mama, what is it? Your mind is far from here.
I just remembered something. I saw Norma this morning walking towards Mbaga Shrine.
What will she be doing there? I know very well that we are yet to get another chief priest because the previous one is dead.
Anyway, I don't know why she went there. But hold this. Finish picking the beans, eh?
Okay.
Then you cook it for our dinner.
Okay, Mama, where are you going to?
Today is women's meeting.
Oh, I forgot, Mama.
Then, Shalana, there we go.
No.
Biko. When you finish, you go to Mazo Kabo and his family, where I told you I saw Norma this morning.
Okay, Mama.
Oh?
Oh, Mama.
I'm coming back.
Take care, Mama.
Oh, I'm
I thought you had a voice. Eh? The fear of the king's mandate is the beginning of wisdom. Come and challenge Angolika. A yin foolish man. Nonsense. Buwakwa. You are going awule. Nyawa. You can't do it. I don't believe
How can this be happening almost every time? Honestly, I think we have to go back to Obina's house. He must have something to do with this. We've searched everywhere in this village. Papa, we really have to go back there. Ha.
Papa, I think she's right though. We need to go back there. Obina and his wife might have done something terrible to Sister Norma. She can't just disappear without a trace.
Nobody will sleep in this house if Sister Norma is not back.
Let's go to Obina. Let's go.
Let me look. Go.
You don't have what you go where you want it. What do you do? Else I'll put this house on fire. I'll burn this house down.
Yeah. I don't know.
Else I'll put this house.
Oh. Then if so, what could Mazu Kabo be within our house by this time?
What we should go out and find out. I don't know if everything is okay.
Nikem, this is getting out of hand. I don't think I can take this anymore.
No.
Mazu Kabo, what's the meaning of this? What are you and your children doing in my house at this ungodly hour of the night?
You want to know why we're here? Like you don't know. Like you don't know. My daughter Norma left this morning. Left my house this morning. And up to now, she's not at home. She hasn't come back up to now.
And how's that my business? I mean, since when did Ayobina become your daughter's keeper?
This is the only place she visits. And you and your wife know her whereabouts. Yes. So where is she? Kebono!
Are you mad?
She's not mad though. She's saying the truth. You've threatened her countless times. Anytime you see her here again, you're going to deal with her. And I believe both of you have carried out the plan, Okoya. Better bring her out here. Bring her out.
Look at this Chinju. My friend, before I close my eyes and open it, I want you to leave my house right now.
We are not going anywhere until my sister is provided.
Obina, get my daughter for me. Else you will see the other side of me. I want my daughter now.
Nanyokabo, you're very stupid. You are mad to think that my husband and I are keeping your daughter at hostage. You are the one that is stupid. Your generation is useless. Don't insult my father like that. You can't come to my house by this time of the night, creating sin and expect me to keep quiet. It's not done anywhere. Leave my house!
What will you do? You're making it. You've not even seen anything. This is just the beginning. Better bring her out though, unless the whole villagers will gather for us tonight. You can't be again at okay. So you think we are here to play with you, Okoya?
Look at her.
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing?
These are two left legs. Better bring her out though. Just
Come. Bia. Come out here. Come out here. Come out here. Come out here. Finish with us. Come out here! Come out here! You must provide my daughter.
No, come back! Why are you running? This is the last time Ayobina will tolerate such useless acts. You can't come to my house at this ungodly hour with a shouting match. Nonsense! Useless old man! Ndimbu. Let me see you here again.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chuku keruwa biazo putamwagio. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Oye naju ajuju choro komara. Afufu akarurimu onye kamejoro. Chuku mobingwa, I am innocent.
Your faces don't look bright. Is everything all right?
You see, everything is not all right. We have been looking for my sister since yesterday.
Why are you looking for her? Is she missing?
She left the house since yesterday and she's not yet back till now.
She mean she has been at the shrine since yesterday?
Shrine? What are you saying?
Sorry, but I saw Norma at the shrine, at Mbaga shrine yesterday.
Mbaga shrine?
Yes.
Do you mean you saw Norma lying down at the shrine? Hey!
I don't know what she was doing there, but I saw
Thank you. Biko, Kaiga.
Agwehine nwegiodudu Obuchia na churi jiji Yezorezo will come to light one day. On that day of a mighty wind Nezi ikoku koge mebe Mbao kiga mata na jine.
Sister Biko, please, let's go home. Let's go. Biko.
Why am I still alive? I told you to kill me. I'm not going anywhere. This is my new home.
Sister, stop saying this.
This is my new
Stop
home.
saying this. You are killing us, sister. I am sure wherever Papa is, he will be somewhere searching for you. Let's go home, please. We couldn't sleep last night. No, it's not. Let's go home. It's not your home. Let's go. Let's go.
All this will end very soon.
Yeah.
Please, let's go. Biko, let's go.
A child shall leave his parents and cleave unto another. They shall become husband and
This is not your home.
it is written. How then would it be
Why can you stay here? Why are you lying down here?
Tell me what to do. It's hard for me to bear. This is a very, very big abomination. Modariwu ajuju kanaju. Oye naju ajuju choro komara. Olisa do. Chimebekino. Yazoputangwagio. Chimumuraya. Ofubochiaga mewemeri. Chimumuraya. Yezorezo gaputanife. Chimumuraya. I'm amazing.
Let me get to the stream and come back.
Okay.
Ma?
Did you tell me the outcome of your meeting with the Okabos?
Hey. I'm sorry, I forgot. I forgot to pass the message across.
How can you forget such a sensitive thing?
I was carried away with work. But when I get to the stream and come back, I'll go and tell them.
There won't be any need for it. I'm sure by now they must have found her.
Where did you find her?
Papa, we saw her lying down at Mbaga shrine after Kelechi told us her whereabouts. She was just lying down there.
What was she doing at Mbaga's shrine?
She was just lying down there.
Omalecha Adam. Okuloka de na nwa. Adanje mono. What were you doing at Mbaga Shrine? Oh no, Kunwa, oh? Hi. Go and prepare something for her to eat. Something very good, okay?
Okay.
And be fast about that.
Water.
Hurry, fast.
Obim, anything that will make you happy, I will do it 100%. Okay, what I go? You get to the point. Look, bring all your domestic violence point on me. I will take it with happiness. Okay, what I go? In the nearest future, what everywhere, I can supply me. Okay, what I go? Okay. Okay, let me be, bro. I know you are not happy, but when I bring this gallon of water, happiness will come back to your home.
Hurry. Mama, I know you're surprised to see what is happening. And that's why asking yourself what I'm doing.
Since you already know what he has in mind, I don't know. It's like you have accepted his marriage proposal.
God forbid. Mama, can you imagine a thing like that?
What do you want me to say? After watching the drama that happened here now? Huh?
Well, Mama, I just discovered that he'll be very useful to this house. Since he doesn't have sense, I will make use of his senseless, empty body. Henceforth, he will take care of the domestic and farm works. Yes, Mama.
Oh, Mom. Just be ready for his funeral. Because on your funeral that jolly here. One day he will carry water, or be back on other, he will swim. I am not here.
Mama, why are you taking it too serious?
Because it is more serious than you think. You see this thing I'm seeing? Seated here like this. Eh? Even if you climb that tree, you cannot see it. Okay,
when her sisters told me that they were looking for her, I was finally shocked that Norma slept at that shrine.
Kelechi, that's not my business. If she likes, let her turn into the deity itself. Ukabwa and his family were lucky I didn't kill them for disturbing my sleep last night.
You never cease to amaze me, Obina. I don't understand your sudden hatred for Norma. This is a girl you once loved, though.
Obina, what I don't understand is why you suddenly picked interest in this case.
I know what happened. You understand? I know what happened. But what? Kelechi, but what? I should pretend he never did? Or I should act like it never happened? Or maybe I should accept her for attracting an unknown curse on herself. Right? Obina, you're my friend. I understand what happened. Okay? All I'm asking for is that you show her some love. Just a little bit of love. Eh?
I should show her some love. How? By pretending I didn't know what happened. Or I don't know. I should just accept the curse she brought upon herself.
We all know what happened, Obina. We all know what happened. But you just need to forgive this girl. Show her some love. She needs your attention now. She needs your attention.
Kelechi, my wife will soon be coming back from the markets. And I wouldn't want her to come here and meet us arguing or even having misunderstanding over a girl that doesn't want it. So, if you don't mind, I'll advise we stop this discussion.
You're my friend, Obina. You're my friend. And I wouldn't want this to bring any misunderstanding between us. So, like you said, I will just, I won't talk about it anymore. I won't bother you again. I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
Why are you panting like this?
No, don't worry. Forget what you are seeing, bro. You understand? I am still Kakaraka. If there is any other domestic violence you have, please bring it on. I can take care of you.
Don't worry. I've done enough. Come and start going.
You say? Going? Yeah. I think by now we should be living as husband and wife.
Don't worry. No
Where's,
longer welcome. Come and start going.
where's my room?
Going.
What can you be saying that now? Right now, I think we're already husbands and wife already. You understand? By now, what we are supposed to be doing is showing me to my room.
Go now. Your face no longer needed.
No longer needed.
It's no longer needed.
Do you know you are talking to Igu?
Be going.
You are only Igu. But no. Are you joking or what? Let me show me.
You are no longer welcome to this house.
No, our room is here. Where is my? Had it been Uncle is here now, Uncle would have cut this long story short and showed me. Uncle, where's my room?
Mama! Mama, Pia!
Chibo. Okay. Mama, what happened to him?
I was just trying to correct my mistake before this thing happened.
I thought both of you were having fun. Go. Do you remember? Ogo bụ chi onye ome ka nne ya nwoke ọma Igu get up Onna get up
What happened?
You fell down. Nne kuliti
Let me.
Ogo, you fell down. I was scared. I said you cannot come and die in my house.
Man. My enemies will not succeed.
He said, and they will never succeed.
I know they're just trying to come and disgrace me in my in-laws' place. It's not going to work. Anything I put here, they want to spoil. My love, nothing spoil. I stand kakaraka. No, team mega. Nothing they shake. You know what? Ogogo. From the very first day I saw you, I know you will make a very good mother-in-law to me.
And I know that you will make the best son-in-law anybody can wish for.
You can say that again.
I need to protect my daughter.
Oh, I'm capable. I'm very much capable in Ogo. I will Look, your daughter and you join together. Your warfare, I will take care of it. I will protect all of you. Because when you go to my history and check, I am a worse. And I am a very good fighter. Come to talk about the domestic violence all of you have in the house. Bring it. I'm equal to the tax. I will take it.
I don't know the kind of battles you fight. But this one is spiritual.
I know everything.
Spiritual,
physical, and mentally.
Omaka.
I fought them all.
Ogo, my in-law.
Yes.
But I don't know. I've been looking for a way to deliver my daughter.
See, leave them for me. Leave them.
You protect her.
I say protect. I was a fighter. Why can't you? Oh, you malo young boy. That's why you are saying this thing.
My daughter is an Obanje.
Obanje?
Yes. Ifuranya is a big Obanje. Isia once told me that any man who marries her will die on their first night. Unless that man travels to Ikuku Forest and brings back her placenta where it was buried. I'm happy you're here. You will be the one to deliver my daughter.
If you're not the one saying this, I won't believe you. But I'm so surprised. Can my Obanje? I've not seen it upon how spiritual I am. I've not seen Obanje.
They are just suffering me.
I like saying my mind. If not because that you are the one saying this thing, I wouldn't have believed it.
Believe me,
How can you be the one telling you? Tell my if you are an Obanje. If you talk to me, your love.
They are just suffering me. At her age, she's still not married. I want her to marry.
That's why I want to help.
I'm happy that you have come to deliver her. And welcome, in-law.
That is why I've been trying to evacuate her. You understand? So that we can have our room here and married.
That is what I'm saying. That now you are here, a man that loves her, you will be able to deliver her because she will transfer the cost to you. And everything will be fine.
So I collect the cost and die. So if I marry her now, I will die.
She needs to be delivered.
By me dying?
No, but by you collecting the cost.
I've heard you all. It's a good one. No. Everything you said, I've heard. So she said they are not giving me room here. Let me go and prepare a room and come and take my wife.
No, she will be free.
And I will die. Is that what you know say, that any man that marries a knack will die?
Oh God, I thought you loved her. You're coming and you're going.
Let me bring my people so we can collect the cost together. You understand? No, I they come.
It's the ball. You they come, you they go.
I will die, she will leave. It won't go.
Akopona. Oh, na?
It's not possible.
It is done.
Mama, you are too much.
I know. He will never disturb you again.
Mama, did you see his face when he said I'm going to transfer my cost to my husband?
I saw it. I saw it. Hey. He will start avoiding you like a plague.
Mama, what if he starts spreading the word that I'm a banji?
Who will listen to that one? Everybody knows he's a drunk. And drunkards talk out of place. Don't worry.
Mama, some people believe there's an outer of truth in the words of a drunkard.
Anybody that believes whatever Igu says needs his or her head examined. Because buba mili.
Okay, Mama.
That we now have a new chief priest, or what? Where did he come out from? His presence is so scary. Oh my goodness. I need to know where he's going to. He cannot just surface in the land for just no reason. Something strong brought him here. I need to...
njama, 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 njama ze, 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 njama, 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 njama ze. The abomination was committed in this place. The root of the evil, the root of the pain, was planted right in this place. The agony stretching its head was carved from within. Those who invite calamity will consume it with their families. The gods have hearkened to tears of the innocent. They have raised a voice and they are stretching their hands on the perpetrator of this evil. Yes! Daughter of the land, you are suffering from an affliction.
Wise one, please. Please.
Do not speak. Do not speak when the spirits are coming in. Umawa is bleeding. The sins of the father shall not remain with the child. You have failed as a father. You have ruined the soul. You mocked your chief. And they have risen against you. They are stretching their hands on the perpetrator of this evil. Let the deed of yesterday be revealed, and let the process of the calamity be seen. Let the sins of the past be revealed.
She's a true definition of beauty. She took after her mother when she was young. Noma is my daughter, and I love her above everyone. I won't allow any other man to take advantage of her. Nature has its way of resolving things. Maybe I'm destined to be with her. After all, in white countries, their tradition permits fathers to marry their own daughters. Why can't I do it as well?
Mommy, now.
No.
Papa?
Where is Onyinye and Uche?
They went to fetch firewood.
Ah.
Papa?
They went to fetch firewood.
Yes, Papa.
And you are enjoying your food.
Hope you enjoyed your food.
The food is sweet.
Yes, sir.
You know you are a good cook.
Thank you, Papa.
You are the one that cooked it.
Yes, I was the one that prepared it.
I know you are a good cook.
Thank you, Papa.
Go to the backyard. Get me that orange. Some orange apple.
Okay, Papa. Let me finish eating.
No. Go and get it now.
I don't want my food to get cold.
No, it will not get cold.
Okay, please, I don't want the flies to perch on it. Let me rush and get it. I don't want flies to touch me. I'm coming.
That place.
Okay. Let me look for you, Papa. Okay.
Enjoy your food.
Are you going to give me the orange? Okay.
What am I going to do? I am responsible for my daughter's pregnancy. Yet I put her in that condition without her knowledge. I need to help her get rid of it as well. No. What if she will be the one to give me the boy child I have been looking for? This might be the only chance to father a boy in this house. I have to offer some sacrifice to the gods. Let their anger dissolve and let them embrace my will as a father who wants the best for his daughter. I want you to be strong, okay? Because we have seen that this is not your fault. And as a girl we love so much, we, all of us in this family, we are solidly behind you. We are there for you, okay? So don't stop feeling anyhow. Just feel good. Every situation you see yourself, you praise the gods because, in fact, it is the will of the gods. Okay? So, and I tell you this particular situation will end in praise.
Papa, how can you say something like this? How can you say that something like this will end in praise? This is a curse.
Yes, it's possible. Yes, from what I'm saying, it will end in praise. Because I know that you are passing through a whole lot of difficulties now and all that. It is not easy. But one thing I know is that we'll rejoice at last because you will it will end up being a baby boy.
Baby boy?
Yes.
Who told you I'm going to give birth to a baby boy?
I trust my chi. I know what my chi can do. Okay?
Papa, stop this. Let's provide solution to this. Other than speaking positivity on a curse.
No, you don't say that. This is not a curse because it is a...
It is a curse, Papa. It is. I cursed the man that did this to me. He will die a miserable death. The vulture will feed on his carcass.
The curse is too much.
And the gods not have spoken.
Papa, you did this to your own daughter! You sold your soul to the devil! I cursed you! I cursed the day you followed me! Papa, I curse you. I curse the day you fathered me. You are a wicked man. I am sure Mama will be ashamed of you wherever she is. She will regret ever marrying such a man like you. I curse you. I curse you.
If you give bad food to your stomach, it will surely be the drums for you to dance. Such is your fate, Mazo Kabo. The consequences of your evil deeds are stretching their hands at you. You will cry and beg for death, but it will never come. The vultures shall feast on your carcass, and the voices of judgment shall be raised against you. Nobody should touch him. They will come for him. Noma, wipe away your tears and stop crying. For the gods have seen it all. You were born with a doomed fate, but your chi will grant you peace. Your chi will grant you peace. Your chi will grant you peace. Your tea will grant you peace.
I think she's in there, but let us take her.
Please, we need your help. My sister Norma is in labor.
I'm so sorry to hear that, but I cannot come to your house.
No, please, Nne, my sister is dying.
Uche, you and I know that your father said that.
My father is dead. My father is dead. Please, you have to come with me. My sister is dying. Please.
Maya, take care of everything. Oh, I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go. All she has suffered, she still gave birth to a dead child.
Remember what she went through, and the cause of it is a nightmare.
But what happened to your father?
That man you called our father, he's a demon. He's the one responsible for my sister's predicament. He drugged his own daughter and got her pregnant.
Chimo.
If not for the priest that came to our house, his deed must have been concealed forever. Nobody will know a thing about it.
Eh? Your father was responsible for her pregnancy?
He is.
What an abomination.
That man is a demon. He's a demon.
Gods of our land, why did you allow such a thing to happen? Why did you allow such a thing to happen to this poor innocent girl? To pay for the sin that she knows nothing about. Hi. Chai.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa biazọpụta nwa gị o. N'ọdara iwu ajụjụ ka nna jụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ akarịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent. Obi mo, ọ bụ onye ka m ga-agbakụrụ. What I am passing through, I don't know the cause. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa bịa zọpụta nwa gị o. Ma ọ dara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara.
What are you doing here? Answer me, what are the three of you doing here?
We are not here to fight.
Hey.
Oye and Uche, please listen to what we have to say.
Listen to you. Obinna, whatever you have to say is none of our business. All I want you to do for me right now is to leave this house peacefully.
Please calm down on here,
Osim, calm down. Eh?
We heard what happened, so...
You heard what happened, and so? Oh, because you heard what happened, then you walked in here majestically, the three of you. You came to ask for forgiveness, eh? Well, it might interest you to know that we have forgiven you. Nobody has any grudge against the both of you or the three of you. But all we want you to do is to leave this house. So can you leave? Leave here with your two tiny legs or I will do something funny. Leave this house now.
Please, can I see Norma?
Eh? Is it? You want to see Norma? Hey! So you want to see Norma after everything? Or do you want to leave your lovely wife for the woman you referred to as a body of abomination and immorality? Eh? Because you finally found out the truth. It is very late. You will never set your two eyes on Norma again for the rest of your life. Yes. And even if you're opportune to do so, it will be by mistake. They always say regret is the last resort of our mistakes. And you know what, Obinna? I am not surprised at all. I am not. Please leave this place now. Ekapo. Unukaku asumunu poeba ina anonto Obinna asim leave this place. Leave here right now.
Didn't you hear what my sister said? She said leave. Was she carrying water in her mouth? Didn't you hear her?
Uche, we are sorry.
I said you should leave. I said leave this compound. Now you think I'm joking. I will do something funny here. Oh. You people should leave.
We will leave.
I don't want to see you people. Go! You not see me. Calm down. I'll give you a mafa. Go! Oh, I don't want to get angry. Oh. People should leave. Look at them. I had to say, sorry. I heard what happened. And so, NTA channel 119. Useless set of people. That's what happened. Look at them. Dalla. Chinekuna zobunuta. Foolish people.
Don't even try it.
No.
Don't try it.
Norma.
Hey.
Norma, wake up.
Norma, please.
Norma, wake
Hey,
up.
what have you done?
Oh,
Ew.
Norma, don't do this.
Norma, please don't do this.
Norma.
My sister.
Norma.
Norma, please, you now. After everything. Norma, please.
Norma, please wake up.
Norma, please.
Norma. Norma, wake up.
Get up. Hey, you caused all this thing. You caused it. You caused it. Norma, please get up.
Norma, please wake up.
This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa bịa zọpụta nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Afụfụ a karịrị m onye ka m mejọrọ. Chukwu ma obi nwa, I am innocent. Obimo, obonye kanga bakuru. What I am passing through, I don't know the cause. This is a very, very big abomination. Chukwu keruwa bịa zọpụta nwa gị o. Mọdara iwu ajụjụ ka na-ajụ. Onye na-ajụ ajụjụ chọrọ ka ọ mara. Agwa ehi na-enweghị ọdụdụ, ọ bụ chi ya na-achụrụ ijiji. Ihe zoro ezo will come to light one day. On that day of a mighty wind, n'ezi ike ọkụkọ ga-emepe. Mgbe ahụ ka ị ga-amata na chi na-efe mụrụ anya. Olisa do 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 do. Chimebe kino. Ofu bochi aga me